Hi guys, I got this L.O.L 3 egg supply. So they have 3 eggs and these little L.O.L toys in them. Okay, so we open it? Yeah, of course we can. Okay. Our first egg, right here. And our second egg. And our third egg. Okay, so all these little cuties are inside of these chocolate eggs. Should we open them? Huh? I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, can I hear you? Yeah, I hear you. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna go down like that, okay? Let's put them all nicely, okay, and this side. Oh, it's broken a bit. So it's a bit cracked, so there we have it. Well, it's a white and brown milk chocolate egg. It's a broken bit, don't worry, I'm not eating it. Okay, there's a little ring for it. I'm gonna still wear this thing. It's a ring. Hello? Like, who never wears a ring if you just got it? Like, no. And it's cute, little birdie catcher, I think. That's cute. Okay, time for the next egg. That was broken a bit too, but don't worry. I'm still gonna eat it. Well, eat it all, but I'm still gonna eat it. Let's get this wrapper off. The eggs are a bit melted, so that's why the wrapper's kind of sticky. Okay, so that's done. Now time for us to see what else we got. Oh, there. And we've got another ring and the same ring. This is so nice. Look, they're matching. Okay, I'm also going to put this one on the other hand. Okay. And last egg. Okay. Open this baby up. Oh. Well, this is not really that broken. I'm really surprised. Okay. And another ring, but not the same girl. Okay. No. But look at my hands. Gorgeous. This is so funny. Out of all of these cute outfit toys, I got 3 rings. Now, please subscribe to my channel, Fun by Ava and Susanna. Everything is over there, coming in the light.
Hey, Dan.
Now, let me dig into this chocolate. White chocolate is my favorite, so that's definitely going first. So good. I'm going to throw this big rock and see if I can find it again. I got 1, 2.
woda. Andrejku, to nie jest nasze, tam są.
He's a good swimmer. Nah, I'm gonna get him.
Najda, najda.
Well, you know what I'm going to do at the same time? I'm going to drop somewhere else. And actually on the land, I'll just put it near the land. Hey, no, I said stay there. Now, I'm going to catch one.
Hejka, stoj, zgłaśnij mi ruczki.
And